Hello my friend, do you see these pigs adorable? Today, let's delve into the intricacies of modern pig farming, where innovation and technology have revolutionized the way these animals are raised and managed. In the initial stages of their lives, female pigs are meticulously cared for, with around 7 meals a day. Specially formulated nutritional formulas ensure they produce high-quality milk to nourish their piglets, setting a foundation for their health and growth. As the piglets grow, feeding becomes a precise science. Automated systems calculate and dispense the exact amount of feed required, ensuring optimal nutrition and growth. This meticulous approach continues as they transition to centralized farming areas, where every aspect of their care is carefully monitored and controlled. Modern pig farms operate as self-contained ecosystems, where everything from feeding to weight control is meticulously managed. Each pig is identified and tracked using chips attached to their ears, providing comprehensive data on their performance and health. This level of monitoring allows farmers to intervene swiftly if any issues arise, ensuring the well-being of the animals. Throughout their time on the farm, pigs undergo regular health checkups to prevent illness and ensure their well-being. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of disease outbreaks, safeguarding both animal welfare and the quality of the final product. Some farms even have specialized areas for larger pigs, equipped with state-of-the-art machinery to measure feed intake and monitor weight. These blue machines seamlessly integrate with the farm's infrastructure, streamlining the feeding process and ensuring every pig receives the nutrients they need to thrive. After months of careful nurturing, the pigs reach their optimal size for processing, typically around 100 kilograms per pig. At this stage, they undergo a series of humane processes to transform them from livestock to pork. While some may find the images of this process uncomfortable, it's essential to understand the journey from farm to fork and appreciate the effort and care that goes into producing high-quality pork products. Many images will be offensive to consider when watching. Following exsanguination, the pigs are immersed in hot water to facilitate the removal of hair from the skin. This step helps prepare the carcass for further processing and enhances the visual appeal of the final product. The pigs are carefully eviscerated to remove internal organs and entrails. Trained inspectors closely monitor this process to ensure compliance with food safety regulations and to identify any abnormalities that may affect the quality of the meat. Once evisceration is complete, the carcasses are split down the middle and transferred to chilling rooms to rapidly reduce their temperature. This step is crucial for inhibiting bacterial growth and preserving the freshness of the meat. Following chilling, the carcasses may undergo additional processing steps depending on the intended end products. This may include cutting, deboning, and portioning the meat into various cuts and products to meet consumer demand. Throughout the entire processing journey, stringent quality control measures are in place to ensure that only the highest quality pork products reach the market. This includes regular inspections, microbial testing, and adherence to strict food safety standards. Once processed, the pork products are carefully packaged according to specific requirements and regulations. This packaging not only protects the meat during transportation and storage but also provides essential information to consumers, such as product labeling and expiration dates. Finally, the packaged pork products are distributed to retail outlets, supermarkets, restaurants, and other establishments where consumers can purchase them. This marks the culmination of a meticulously managed process that begins on the farm and ends with high-quality pork products on consumers' plates.